Chief Minister Khemchand has urged deserving civil services aspirants to reap the benefits of the Chief Minister's scholarship scheme for civil services, which provides financial assistance to 200 candidates from an annual budget allocation of 2.8 crore rupees. He was speaking at the 14th Foundation Day celebration of Creative Circle Coaching Institute, a unit of HEI Edu Private Limited at Hotel Imphal, located at Old Lambulan today. The event was also attended by retired IS officer R.K. Nimai, retired IPS officer Thangjam Brojain, and JP Women's College former principal Dr. B. Lalhari Sharma as the main dignitaries. Speaking further, Chief Minister Khemchand lauded Creative Circle Coaching Institute for its unwavering commitment to mentoring and guiding state civil service aspirants through the major disruptions after COVID-19 pandemic. He further claimed that the recently declared Manipur Civil Services Combined Competitive Examination (MCS-CCE) conducted by the MPSC showed no signs of corruption and was conducted in a free and fair manner. Successful candidates of MCS-CCE to 2022 were also felicitated during the function.
My humble question, handaki MPSC na logiba exam da success we basi nungai bati phawi rangbani si yona ba challenges mayam su le rangbani ado yamna transparency leina logibra natraga singnaba leibra. Please answer. Like they go MPSC ki chairman si exam result haido ka andai kauraga uni adu ki mamang dai phoju tawde usu unade maramdi masi kitang thamna yenga chumna tawsano haidana. So khangiba satra sing loinamak yamna clean image we bas afaba satra ka khangi haibagi nungaiba duso koi da phaujai.